Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bart ERC token. Now the Bart ERC token is in the top gainer section right now on CoinMarketCap. It was up well over 800% a couple seconds ago. It's still up 789.9% right now. Doing amazing. Hopefully the token is up for good reasons. There is some security issues here I'd like to go over in this video as well, but we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is an Ethereum token. Obviously, that's right in the name, Bart ERC. So it's an ERC20 token. Right now, they have 896 holders, according to their Etherscan, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply here. That is 1,000,000,000,000,000, 100 trillion tokens. Now, there is a giant warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page where this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. They could be on CoinGecko as well. But it says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution while trading and always do your own research. So, when they can alter the smart contract, change tax rates, disable selling, that's a big one. All that mint new tokens, all that type of stuff, it can be super sketchy because they can literally do anything they want. If they disable selling, it could turn into a honeypot, and then if they're able to, they could remove liquidity and rug pull everyone. So, thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting tokens like this. I know seeing the charts and seeing the, it's 800% in the green right now. People get excited, then they go buy the token, and they just rush without taking any time to do their own research. Now, sometimes tokens can be up like this for bad reasons. Like it could be in the middle of a honeypot, and that's why the price is the percentage is rising so high, is because nobody's able to sell the tokens. They're only able to buy, and then the price rises in the green, and then they rug pull everybody. That's happened a lot. So thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about getting the token. You could review comments, you could do all that type of stuff. Comments aren't always like good research, but try to review the smart contract if you can. Now, I do not believe that this token has an audit or a KYC or anything like that unless it is listed somewhere else, maybe on Pink Sale. Actually, I'll have a look on Pink Sale quickly to see if there was a pre-sale on here on the Bart token. I should have done that before the video started. Now that I think of it, that's a good thing to check to see, because sometimes their audit and KYC are listed on Pink Sale, but then you can't find them on their official webpage. So if we just punch in Bart, there is a lot of Bart tokens. Now there was a, so it looks like they had a lot of pre-sales that got canceled. So that's why there's tons of tokens listed on here. Now it looks like they did have a pre-sale on here. I'm going to open that up, see if it doesn't say Bart ERC though, because there was a Bart BNB one as well. There's also a Bart Simpson CEO token, so don't get it confused with that one. But yeah, the Bart BNB one had a pre-sale, and then there was an Ethereum version that had a pre-sale as well. So let's check out the Ethereum one, see if it's the same one. You can tell it's the same one if they have the same social links. So this one has a social link. It says at Bart Ether is their Twitter. Let's see if it's the same as this one. So this one says here that their Twitter is, no. So that is the one on Pink Sale that is just called Bart is not the same as Bart ERC. So I can't see a pre-sale on Pink Sale anywhere for this token. You know, maybe it's listed somewhere else. But anyways, on their webpage too, BartERC.club, there's not a lot of information on there. So it says chart. So they have a chart that you can check out. It'll take you to DEX tools. You can see how well the token's doing. But now obviously you could see that on CoinMarketCap. So you don't really need the DEX tools one if you don't need it. They have a buy now button. It doesn't seem to be lit up. They have a Telegram, Twitter, CoinMarketCap link. Now, this is an Ethereum token, so if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Bart token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. Now, it says here that it looks like a lot of, most of the information is on CoinMarketCap. It says the well-known animated figure Bart Simpson, it uses the ERC20 standard, runs on the Ethereum blockchain, making it possible to utilize and store value for transactions. Due to its distinctive branding and expanding fan base, the token has recently grown in popularity. Right now it's up 938%. The fact that the Bart token is a community-driven digital asset is one of its advantages. This indicates that a group of users, rather than a single controlling entity, manages and runs it. Users of Bart who are enthusiastic about the system's potential as a digital asset are given a greater feeling of ownership and empowerment as a result of the strategy. The fact that the Bart token is tax-free, so there you go, you probably will not have to change slippage, is another impact and aspect that affects this. This indicates that utilizing the cryptocurrency is free of transaction costs and taxes for individuals searching for a more economically and effective method of transaction. It makes this a beneficial solution. The distinctive branding of Bart's, will push the token. And it says do your own research right on here for risk tolerance. In conclusion, not much. So it's basically a meme token with no utility. Now, it says LP is burned, yes. Contractor announced, yes. Now, I'm not sure if they have that listed anywhere where you could verify that. They do have a step-by-step how to buy this in case you didn't understand how I said how to use Uniswap. They'll go over that on their webpage, BartERC.club. Their roadmap, phase 1 is launch, CoinMarketCap listing, 750 holders, website. So those are the things they've done so far. Next is going to be CoinGecko listing, 10,000 holders, central exchange listing, phase 3, tier 1 listings, 100,000 plus holders, and NFTs. So NFTs is basically their only utility. Now, there's lots of memes on their page here. Even Pepe is on their webpage. It says you can donate. I mean, buying the token is somewhat donating, but okay. It says tell your friends to buy, hodl, and chill. And that is about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Bart ERC token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.